In this video, we are going to go through the steps to activating your InSite key. You will need the key code provided in your email to access your e-learning course and get started on your online coursework. First, you will need to activate your key. To activate your key, go to insight.velociteach.com/login.aspx. Then fill out the fields under Create an Account or Login if you already have one. The username will be your email address and you will create your own password. Second, under What would you like to do, enter the key code in the field underneath Activate a new key. Then click Submit. Select Yes, activate my key now. Once you have activated the key code, the course will now show up under Go to My Course. Just click on the course name to enter and begin. Now you're ready to get started. We hope you enjoy our course.